Hello everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this Chinese style Maggi recipe. Boil water, add 3 Maggi and let it get cooked. Once you see it's got cooked properly, just strain it. Wash it with normal water at least 3 times, 3 to 4 times should be enough. Add 2 teaspoons of oil, mix it once and keep it aside. Now in another pan add 3 teaspoons of oil, take half of an onion and cook it in high flame for 2 minutes. So I'm making it a simple one. You can add vegetables of your choice. I'm just adding coriander 1/4 cup and cooking it for another 2 minutes. Adding the Maggi's now and adding the Maggi masala. Keep the flame low and mix them well. If you keep the flame high, then there is chances that it will get burned, so keep the flame low and do that. And add tomato ketchup of 1 teaspoon and red chili sauce of 1 teaspoon and mix it for 2 minutes in high flame. And now your Maggi, Chinese style Maggi, is ready to serve. Do try it out. This came out really well. You should definitely try it out once. This is a simple one without any vegetables. You can add vegetables of your choice and serve it hot. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.